warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the honorable judges, respected teachers, and all my wonderful friends. All praise and thanks are for Allah, who always gives us hope, strength, and a change to the good things in life. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW, who showed us the way to live with love, passion, and respect. Let me start with a question. Have you ever felt like you don't belong just because you're different? Maybe your accent, your tradition, or even your fashion didn't match others around you? If you've ever felt that way, guess what? You're not alone. Because this stage, this school, and this beautiful country of Indonesia are all standing tall because of diversity and the strength that comes from mutual respect and sincerity. So buckle up, friends, because in the next few minutes, I'm not just going to talk to your ears. I'm going to speak straight to your heart. Now, I want to bring you to a city where gamelan melodies float in the air, where traditional markets are alive with Javanese greetings, where churches, mosques, and temples stand not far from each other. Yes, it is our beloved city that everybody has known. Well, my name is Shabira Milan PRINCESSA, and I'm from MTSN 1 PATI. In this stage, I'm going to talk about Solo, a heart of harmony, a lesson in diversity for the nation. Solo is not just a city, it's a story. A story of how diversity is not a challenge, but a blessing. A story of how differences do not divide, they unite. In Solo, you'll see people from different backgrounds. Javanese, Chinese Indonesians, Batak, Mandarins, even foreigners, living side by side in peace. They celebrate Islamic holidays with joy, Chinese New Year with red lanterns, Christmas with lights and prayers, and Sukatan with gamelan and traditional rituals. This is what makes Solo special. This is what makes Indonesia beautiful. Diversity rooted in mutual respect, devotion, and love. Let me tell you a true moment from Solo. In 2006, when there was a large-scale cultural event, people from all walks of life, Muslim, Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, rich, poor, young and old, came together to prepare and perform. There were no questions like, what religion are you? Where are you from? Only one question mattered. What can I do to help? That, my friends, is the spirit we need to carry. Because if Solo can do it, why can we? We are, as the younger generation, we must continue and protect this harmony. Not just in Solo, but across all of Indonesia. So, how do we do that? Here are my 2 recommendations for us, the resilient generation. First, learn from Solo. Embrace your local traditions while respecting others. Know your culture, but love your neighbors too. Second, speak and act with heart. A sincere smile, a helpful hand, a kind word, these are stronger than any loud speech. Third, be a young bridge builder. In your school, your class, your community, create spaces where everyone feels they belong. Dear friends, being different is not something we should hide. It's something we should honor. Diversity is not the reason we fall, it's the reason we rise. To close this speech, I want to say, let's be like Solo, calm like the Bengawan Solo River, colorful like Pasar Gede during festivals, and united like the gamelan instruments. Different sounds, but one harmony. We are the future. We are the voice of peace. And with sincerity and mutual understanding, we can build not just a strong society, but a peaceful world. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.